Hello guys, here is another quantity of simultaneous equation. So we are going to solve this by substitution method. So like I said, this is equation 1, this is our equation 2. So I'm going to take equation 1 here for substitution. So it will be 6x is equals to 3 minus 5y. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 6 here. So x is equals to 3 minus 5y all over 6. So if so, I'm going to take the equation 2 here, which is nothing but 7x plus 8y equal to 10. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute with the x value. So 7 bracket 3 minus 5y all over 6 bracket plus 8y is equals to 10. Now, this is the new equation we are having. So what we need to do, we need to make sure that we remove the denominator here. How? By multiply both sides by 6. So if you are to multiply both by 6, it means we say times 6 here, times 6 times 6. So this 6 and here we cancel. We remain in 7 times 3, which is 21, minus 35, y plus 8 times 6, 48, y is equals to 60. Okay? After we reach here, we are going to collect like terms. Okay? We are going to collect like terms. Here we are going to have a positive 13y is equals to 60 minus 21. So 13y is nothing but 39 here. After doing so, we are going to divide both sides by 13 by 13. We cancel here, we get y, then 13, 1, 26, then 3. We get 3 here. Y is nothing but 3. If that is the case, it means for the first equation, which is x is equals to 3 minus 5y all over 6, we can just substitute for 3 minus 5 times 3 all over 6, which gives us nothing but 3 minus 8 minus 15 all over 6 minus 12 over 6, which is equals to a minus 2. That's the solution. Therefore, x is equals to minus 2 and the y is equals to 3.